Here in this video, I want to make a div structure. Div and div. But I want to make this, I want to load into this structure a picture, a JPG file. So I'll say ID equals quotes house. That's I'm going to load my haunted house picture that I drew into this div structure. So I come up here to the style area and I can hash sign house and then curlies and background image colon, and the URL is haunted house. That's the name of my file, JPG file, and close brackets, semicolon. Next, position will be absolute. What else? How about the height? The height, GIGHT, colon 400 pixels. 400 pixels. That's good. Let's see, what else? How about width? Width would be a good thing to tell it. So I'll click over here and I'll key in. The width will be 500 pixels. I may have to make that bigger. And I want it to come over a certain amount from the left. I can get that later so we can see it being done on the screen. Let's get that. Let's see how it looks now. Let me put in the curlies and we'll see how it looks now. There's my close curlies. It looks good so far. Let me save this. And let me do a run. Launch in Firefox. Oh, there's the house. My haunted house pops right up. There's my boy. Let's do it again. Because I've got other versions of it going. Run, launch in Firefox. And there we go. So that's it. Oh, it's starting to load it in again. Multiple pictures. Oh, that's bad. We'll fix that. So that's what it looks like so far. So as you can see, it's starting to load this thing in again. There's the top of the chimney, which is over here. So it loads it in multiple times unless you tell it, don't repeat the loading in of the picture. Don't do it. Don't keep doing it. All right, well, we'll see how to fix that. All right, so the next thing, one other thing you notice, there's no border around here. Let's put a border around here. That'd be nice. So let's make the border color black. Border, whoops. Try again. Border color column will be black. And save this and run this, and you'll see a little problem. It didn't show up. I just told it that the border color is black. I didn't actually tell it to put the border color on it. So let's do that now. Border is solid. Border colon solid semicolon. All right. Now let's get him back up here and refresh. Now he's got a solid border on him. Oh, it's still repeating down here. We'll fix that in a moment. But now you can see the picture is in the div structure. Okay, that's cool. Let's see. We told it the border color was going to be solid. Let's stop that background repeating feature. So background repeat colon no repeat, no dash repeat semicolon, and save it and get this guy up and load it back in. And let's move this down. Ah, that repeating feature has been turned off. You see the top of the picture is gone now again. It was down there. So now this is just a little bit too big. So we can go up here to the height and reduce that to, I don't know, 380. 380 pixels. Let's see now. Get it back up here. Make the picture smaller. And let's see what happens now. Oh, it just got smaller. Okay, that's good. Now, what else do we want to do? Well, I'd also like to move that over a bit. I'd like to move that over, I don't know, about 20%. Let's move that over 20%, see what we see. Okay? All right now it's butted up against a left wall here. So we'll put in here from the left, I want it to be 20%. Yeah, that's good. And a semicolon. Now, let's get our guy up here. And when I refresh, you should see this shift over a bit. Let's see if that works. Oh, it shifted over 20%. Very good. Okay. Well, all seems to be working well now. So we made a div structure. We ID'd it as house. We came up to here and was using CSS, hash house. We loaded in a background image, which was URL hauntedhouse.jpg. That's a file of mine that I drew. Position was absolute. Height was 380 pix. Width was 500 pix. Border color was black. Border is solid. And then we said the background repeat. Don't repeat it. No repeat. Shifted it over 20% from the left. And that was it. That's what we've done. And the result was this, which I think is pretty good. Well, that's all I have to say for now. Thanks so much for listening. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.